This is the Connex alternating arm lift. I downloaded the instructions for this project in a PDF file from the Instructables.com website. The link to that website is in the text box below. On the left is the basic lift, and on the right is one optional module that can be added in the middle to increase the height. More than one module can be added, but at some point the motor may not be strong enough to run it if too many are inserted. Here is the lift with the optional module installed in the middle.